And welcome to the Dream Factory News. It's your host, Gracie Burgess.
And Kimberly Loaiza.
This week we'll be talking about respect, Chromebook care, and upcoming events. But first, we want to wish a happy birthday to these teachers and staff with birthdays in January. Dr. Smith, Mr. DeVerger, Miss Robertson, Miss Salas, Miss Knight, Mr. Thornton, Miss Barber, Miss Nunez, Miss Robertson, Miss Stewart, Miss McCoy, Miss Mitchell, and Mr. Simpson. Now for the mission statement and pledge.
Ciega Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now for the moment of silence.
Moving on to the weather with Cece.
Thanks, Kimberly and Gracie. The weather this week is going to be chilly with a high of 74 and a low of 58. It's supposed to rain most of the week. Y'all stay warm in this dry weather. Remember, guys, just pray about it. Now to you, Gracie.
Thanks, Sissy. Now let's talk about respect.
This is Michelle Damon, and I'm here with
Michaela Edmonds.
What does respect look to you?
Respect look like to me is accepting someone for who they is, no matter if they're different.
What does respect look like to you?
Respect is a fundamental value that encompasses worth and dignity of others. It's showing kindness and respect to other people through different acts, like outwardly acts, like holding the door for someone or letting someone borrow a pencil if they don't have a pencil. Also, it's inwardly acts, like just showing like care and concerns. And there's just different ways that you can show care and kindness, and I think it's really important, especially during the month of February. So I always like to say, sprinkle kindness like confetti.
Now a word from Mrs. Turner, our media specialist on Chromebook care.
Hi guys, so today we're here with Miss Turner, our media specialist that also helps with our Chromebooks. Today I got some few questions for her about our Chromebooks. Why should students not leave their Chromebooks in an unsecure location unattended?
So students always want to make sure that you have the Chromebook that is assigned to you. So in first period, it's always a good idea to look at the bottom of your Chromebook to make sure you're picking up the right one, and you want to keep yours all day. Any mix-ups interrupt instruction while we take time to figure all that out.
Why should we let other students use our Chromebook?
If you let another student use your Chromebook, there's a possibility they might damage it. So some of the costs involved in Chromebook damages, the most common is a screen. That's $25 to replace a screen. It's $10 to replace a key, and it goes up from there. If the entire device is lost, remember you come to the Media Center to report that, or you can tell your teacher, and your teacher can let us know. An entire Chromebook replacement is $294. So you want to make sure you only have yours all the time.
What are some things we should avoid while using our Chromebook?
While you're using your Chromebook, you want to be sure not to have any food or drinks around it because it can get down into these keys right here. I've seen things like tiny beads, glitter makeup, Cheeto puffs, all manner of small things that can get into your keys and cause damage. Remember, you'd be responsible for that. There's a specific way to clean Chromebooks too. Your first period teacher has a spray bottle and a cloth that's meant just for that, so you don't use Lysol wipes or things like that because they can damage the Chromebook in the warranty. If you need some extra protection for your Chromebook, you can come by the Media Center and pick up this case. I have about 20 left. You just come with a pass. You can pick one up and have that extra layer of protection for yourself. If you find your battery is running out towards the end of the day, instead of just closing the screen when you go from one class to the other, actually hold down the power button and power the Chromebook all the way down before you carry it to your next class.
Well, that's it, Mrs. Turner. Thank you so much for being our Dream Factory News.
Thank you, and if you have any trouble with your Chromebooks, come by the Media Center first through third periods only. First through third period.
Thank you, Ms. Turner. The district spelling bee will be held January 26th. Good luck to everyone participating in that.
Rising 10th graders, this is for us. We will be touring Crockett County High School January 30 and 31st. Parent night will be February 1st. Registration for next year classes will be February 1st through the 7th.
Rising 9th graders, listen up. Your parent night is on February 13th, then registration February 14th and the 21st.
Seagate will be holding a Valentine's dance on February 10th, and March 1st is our PBIS movie day. More information will be coming as those events get closer.
We'll see you next time, Sia Gray. This is Gracie
And Kimberly,
signing off.
This is for us. We'll be touring Crockett County High School January 30 and 31st.
It went too fast.